Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this tutorial video, I'm gonna show you how to change your password in Warpath Ace Shooter. So in order to do that, first open up the Warpath Ace Shooter game on your mobile device and log into your account. Once you're in the game, tap on your profile avatar at the top left corner. Now you'll open up this profile section where you need to tap on the options button at the bottom right. Inside options, go ahead and click on accounts. Now from the accounts tab, scroll all the way down and tap on the more button. And on the next page, you'll get to see the change password button. Simply tap on that. Now enter your old password, your new password in the text boxes. Start off by entering your old password and then type in your new password twice in the respective text boxes and finally tap submit. And right after you do that, you will then be able to change your password on Warpath Ace Shooter. It is that simple. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, like, share and subscribe for more tutorials. I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.